Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels. My name is Adibayo Kende. So on today's episode, we'll be discussing about CCTV cameras and its components. So CCTV cameras, as its name implies, is a closed circuit television cameras which all its components are directly connected. And on today's videos, we'll be analyzing and identifying the component of CCTV cameras. See, this is our cameras. This is our CCTV camera. This is a closed circuit camera, and this is a typical example of analog cameras. And this is also a camera, and is a typical example of an IP cameras, Internet Protocol cameras. This is an heat vision cameras, and this is an analog cameras. So I'm going to show you how you can easily differentiate between analog cameras and IP cameras. So by physical look, we can easily differentiate between an analog cameras and IP cameras, that's Internet Protocol cameras. Are some of the components of the CCTV cameras. This is an external audio microphone, as we all can see. There is an input for the power and for the signals. And this is the net digital video recorder. For short, it is known as NVR, and this is a typical example of four inputs or four channels DVR. And this is an example of our CCTV camera's power supply box, and this, as we can see, is 18 ways power supply box. It can power up to 18 cameras at the same time, and that's a centralized power supply system for cameras. And these are one of the tools used to test the CCTV cameras. We call it a CCTV camera testers. As we all can see, very soon we'll start using this wonderful device. And this is our internet modem router for our remote monitoring. If we want to monitor our cameras in a remote location, this will get to this particular topic very soon. And a Cat 6 cable, that's category 6 cable, that's Cat 6 for short. We normally use it for IP system, IP camera system. And this is our coaxial cable connected with BNC, and is specifically used for our analog camera system. As you can see, these are some of the components of the CCTV cameras I will be discussing for today's episode on CCTVs and CCTV components identifications. I hope you enjoyed the video and watch out for the next episode. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.